Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your gift card on oBucks. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in openbucks.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Openbucks. Now from this page, first of all log into your account by clicking on the merchant login button. You will then be taken into the login page. Go ahead and type in your username followed by your account password. After entering both of your credentials, click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Openbucks. Now once you are logged in, simply scroll over to the products option and then click on Openbucks gaming card. Now from this page you will find the redeem button which you can click on and then enter your code to redeem your card. If you don't see a redeem button, scroll down and underneath customer support you will find the oBucks balance check option. You can simply click on this and then you will be asked to enter your card details. After entering your details, you will be taken into the oBucks card page from which you will find the redeem button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your gift card points on Openbucks. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.